our results section is to restate our hypotheses. It helps to connect a previous part of our research and creates a smooth flow that is easy to follow and read on. The second is to tell our results systematically. Address the primary research question first and then the secondary research questions. The results must connect with each other to make it clear and minimize confusion. The third is to report relevant results regardless of statistical significance. Do not omit if it does not support your findings. It can even provide inspiration for future researchers exploring the topic. And lastly, represent your results visually. Visualization can help illustrate and summarize data if there's a large amount of it and can help make it easier to read and become digestible.
The first step is to summarize key findings. Summarize the entire result section to make it easier for the reader to digest the information. The second is share your interpretations. Identify relationships among the data and discuss if the results met your expectation and contextualize the findings with the research you have previously used. And explain if there are any outlier results and if there are any other explanations for it. The third is to acknowledge the limitations. Provide a summary of what can be concluded from the research and find if the limitations had an effect on it, and explain why the result is valid in answering the questions regardless of the limitations put on. The fourth step is to discuss implications. Provide how relevant the research is to the problem and what is implied and how it relates to your results. Results is to present data, whether visually or in text, and discussion is there to interpret whether the data has achieved the research questions or if it has not. A challenge that will be faced when writing these sections is on the session whether or not we should use visual data or write it in text. If we use illustrations, we have another challenge of trying to label it properly so that readers will not get confused when reading the data, or making it in text and being very wordy that the reader loses interest in what we are saying. As for the concepts, I will use these concepts in the results and discussion table, such as restating the hypotheses, to make it more readable for the users and be able to easily digest it.